okra snack is eaten everywhere around the world. It is made in many different ways, and it is also a very popular snack as well. It's my childhood snack. So it's a really easy recipe. Ingredients you need is some okra, cayenne pepper, some herbs, all-purpose flour, and cornstarch. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper, not too much because you don't want it to be too spicy, and some dried herbs. It could be oregano or cilantro of any type, and you mix. Take some all-purpose flour, not too much, and put it into the container. And then take a lot of cornstarch, not too much, and put it into the container. Recipe hack. If you want to get all the okra marinated, just take this and just shake it this slightly. Now start putting in the okra, the marinated okra, into the pan. Put as many as you can and let it fry using a spoon. Keep frying the okra until the okra turns golden brown. Remove the excess oil from the crispy okra as much as you can, so it'll look like this. Recipe hack. Just take the mixture with the spices and herbs, corn flour, or the cornstarch, and all-purpose flour, and just shake. That way you have fried okra. So be sure to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to Hunyah Travels and watch Hunyah Travels, and follow Hunyah Travels on Instagram at Hunyah Travels Instagram page, and also follow Hunyah from Hunyah Travels for inquiries on Instagram at Hunyah08. Read Hunyah Travels, watch Hunyah Travels, and listen to the podcast of Hunyah Travels on speaker.com. Thank you.